What's up guys, Shannon from SP88. I've got this SEAT Alhambra that I've fitted a Nextbase Dash Cam to, and for some reason this dash cam is not powering up. I don't understand why. The earth is good, the live is good. Connection seems alright. But what's even more weird about it is I had a guy from Aylesbury called me last night saying, man, he's been trying to fit a Nextbase Dash Cam and it's not powering up. And then the next damn day I'm having the same issue. What's that all about? Anyway, when I find out what's wrong, I'll let you know. Alright guys, so the Nextbase Hardwire kit turned the dash cam on when I started the engine. So I did say this to the guy last night as well, have you started the engine? I think maybe this smart hardwire kit, maybe it knows to not start working until it's received 14 volts or more. So I think that's all it is, man. That's why the guy was struggling. I think all you need to do is start the engine and the dash and the hardwire kit will come to life. But I think it's not ready to work until it's seen running. So now if I turn this engine off, I'll start putting this back together, and I expect that this will turn itself off by itself as well. But yeah, I think this is a new hardwire kit by Nextbase, because I don't ever remember having the panic that I just had just now. Like, what the hell? Like, the guy called last night asking for help, and then I'm experiencing the same problem. I'm not here for that, you know what I mean? I'm not here for that. Alright, one thing you guys need to be doing is setting the park mode on this dash cam. Yeah, so when you need to have that P on your screen for this thing to work properly, especially with a hardwire kit. Well, you won't be able to get this feature if you don't have a hardwire kit, and if you use a hardwire kit and you don't see that P, it's not done properly, you know what I mean? It needs to be put on a constant live feed, not an ignition feed. Alright, so what you do is press the menu button twice, and then you'll get to see format SD card. When you see that, you're on the right page. You scroll down and you get parking mode. It's got auto power off. 10 seconds seems to be fine with me. I'm happy with that. Okay, fine. Get it out there, and you can do the rest of the settings yourselves, guys. Alright, hopefully this was helpful. And that's just me with my 5 camera phone. Yep. Alright, this is where I place the dash cam. Got your camera here. I've kind of tried to tilt it down a little bit. That's the wiring. Guys, do I recommend this dash cam? No. I think you should go for one of the proper rear cameras, not this internal camera. Let's have a look to see if I can see myself in here now. I can't. So I'm sat in the driver's seat. I don't know why this chair's all the way back, but if you guys look, I can't even see myself, so I don't know what that camera's really trying to do. If you put the dash cam down here, for example, you might get a better angle, but that's kind of an MOT failure. You shouldn't be doing that. Anyway, this is the dash cam that I've fitted. I'm sure it's one of the cheaper Nextbase dash cams. I recommend buying a second-hand better one if you were on a tight budget. Guys, when you turn the key off, the dash cam should turn itself off in about a minute's time. I don't know what that auto power within 10 seconds was all about. It seems to take about a minute.